We're doing warriors tasks and skills. We're going over weapons training that consists of the M4, M240, and 249. For those three, we're doing clearing, loading, firing, malfunction, and then clearing again to show clear. We're also going over employing Claymore and then taking down the Claymore. Most of the stations are very doable for everyone. As long as you go through the steps, you take the training and you write the notes, take as much notes as you can, and then mentally prepare for them. Ask for advice before you start, but when you start, you gotta go through the motions of it. Take your time on each station. You're not in a rush, as it is timed, but take your time on it, focus on what you need to do, and follow each of the steps and sequences, and you'll pass.
I've gotten first time goes for M4, 249, and 240. They went pretty fast. It's a lot faster, I think, than people realize when you get out there. It's like, okay, 30 seconds, I have a lot of time. Then you're out there and it's like, okay, don't let my brain like freeze up. I really need to stay in that flow zone and just keep my mind in that place where I need it to be, essentially. I definitely think the Claymore is probably going to be the one that I really need to lock in for. But that's the one I really just got to pay attention to this training I'm about to get and really just make sure I'm going through those steps a lot in my head. The training is there to help you. It's different than just hearing about it. Getting hands-on is what you need, because if you get out there with no hands-on, it can throw a lot of people off. So that's definitely the piece of advice I recommend. Just get hands-on with the equipment. Really familiarize yourself.